Absolutely. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope I'm audible. My name is Ranjal Sinha, co-founder at Sama. I will be sharing the perspective from a lens of a for-profit private company which has been working with legal service authorities and the police in facilitating dispute resolution mechanisms. Uh, as Girbala ma'am was saying, because of her, we got an opportunity to collaborate with MPLSA and providing online mediation services. Before I dive in, just allow me to share my screen. So, can I get a thumbs up if you can just see my screen? Thank you. So before I dive in, what is ODR, right? What is online dispute resolution? The very basic sense, it just means solving, settling your matters, your disputes online. Bringing any kind of ADR mechanism such as mediation, negotiation, conciliation, arbitration, look adalats fully online. Started in 2015, Sama is an ODR institution. We have handled close to 70 lakh cases and we have settled close to 16 lakh cases with the total settlement amount crossing 550 crores. On the screen, you can see some photos of the litigants who participated in these processes, either through online local adalats or through online mediation, and they were able to resolve their disputes. We have done close to 10 government projects, and 8 of those projects were fully pro bono. And so let me share the reasoning behind that, right? So one is when we are one reason behind doing that is partnering with government gives us an opportunity to impact at scale. Lot more people are able to solve their cases through online local adalats or through online mediation when the government itself endorses it. There were cases where a married couple of 34 years, the daughter is an MBA from IIM Bangalore, but the wife has been a victim of domestic violence for quite a few years. And they were able to come. She did not want to file an FIR. She did not want to make it a public nuisance. So she said that is there a confidential online mediation way which can settle the case. The police referred it to us, and they were able to reach some kind of a settlement where the husband is now going for help, and the wife is now staying with the daughter in Bangalore. Then there were cases like where people have defaulted on loans, unsecured loans worth 15 lakhs, and they're not able to pay back because the pandemic has hit their business. But through online mediation, they were able to reach some kind of settlement. They were able to get waiver. They were able to get some more time to pay back the loans. So one is that the dispute resolution experience need not be so stressful. It need not be so time consuming. It's anyway quite tough, but at least we can give them an ecosystem where it can be resolved amicably. Our motto at Sama is Suljhao Magar Pyar Se. And that is something which we strongly believe in, which is the resolve with compassion. The second part is also when the government itself uses innovative legal technologies like online dispute resolution, the general public also gets the confidence. The private enterprise also get the confidence that, okay, if the government is doing it, we can also do it. Here is a picture of the NALSA Executive Chairman, the Supreme Court Justice UU Lalit, attending the Maharashtra online Lok Adalat setting through the Sama platform. So with respect to the financial part, we feel that obviously the initial projects, the approach we try to use is let's do it pro bono. Let's do like a pilot project with the government pro bono. Let's give them an experience. Let's give them a good experience. And the pilot project can be of 3 months, 6 months. But after that, in order to make it long-term financially sustainable, we have two suggestions. For example, what we are doing in Maharashtra, initially we did pro bono local adalats, but the recent most national online local adalat we did, we charge a subsidized fee. One suggestion can be that if the reimbursement can happen at cost, we don't want to make any margins out of this. We don't want to make any profits out of this. But whatever the cost is, like for example, if you're giving us 80 lakh cases and we have to send 80 lakh SMSs, it will cost us 12 lakh rupees, which is 8 paisa per SMS. There will be some hosting charges. So that at least reimbursement can at cost can happen. That is one way to make it financially more sustainable. The second option is, as Girbala ma'am was also saying, the litigants might be willing to pay. Like when the Madhya Pradesh project got over, we got a lot of calls where the litigants have come to the police station and they're saying, I want the online mediation option and I'm willing to pay the fee for that. So it's not like the litigants are not willing to pay in like certain scenarios because they're getting that value, because they're getting that quick dispute resolution, online, amicable. They don't have to come anywhere. Even in Maharashtra, we saw that Bank of Maharashtra, for example, when they wanted online local adalat, They said they are willing to bear the cost of it. So we have examples of individuals and enterprises who are willing to pay the price for it. So the cost need not be borne by the government. It can be it can be transferred to the final end user. So that is one option. The second option is reimbursement and cost. For the end part, I just want to leave with the fact that there are a lot more opportunities where government mechanisms can come online. We are talking to consumer departments; they can bring their mediation fully online. PSUs, National Highway Authority of India, they have arbitration clauses. They can use online arbitration clauses. It will be much lesser cost for them also. Right now, for example, 10 to 12 legal service authorities are working with us for online local adalats. All all states across India, all districts, all talukas can use online local adalat mechanisms. Court annex mediation centers, police, the work we did with the Women Help Desk, RERA, MSMEs, and even the Telelaw project, they can explore an online mediation layer to it. And so in government dispute resolution, we feel there's a lot of opportunity for integration of online dispute resolution. And yeah, with these opportunities, I like to say thank you to everyone and really a pleasure to be a part of this conference. Thank you.